Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel Netflix subscription from Netflix app. To do this, you have just to go to your Netflix account or app and open it. And after that, click on My Netflix. After that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Account. Just wait a little bit. And after that, scroll down until you find an option called Cancel Membership or Delete Account. So you will have the choice to just cancel your subscription and keep your account so you can activate it again later. Or you can delete your account, so in that case, you will delete all the informations related to your account. So, of course, if you cancel your membership, your account will remain active until your actual subscription end. For example, if you paid for December and you cancel your membership, your account will remain active all December because you paid for that, and it will be deactivated after December month ended. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.